I'm now walking in San Francisco, and we're going to have a look at the very steep street, which I think is directly in front of me. We're not going to walk down there. We're going to eventually walk down Lombard Street. But we are going to have a look at the very steep street as we head that way. So we're crossing Hyde, and as I say, we are walking to the steep street here, and we'll have a look just how steep that is. Look at all the pavements, how the trees have knocked them and broke them up there. And look at the buildings and that, they're phenomenal here. What a city this actually is. It's amazing. So they've got garages under a lot of these places. And we're now virtually at the top of one of the steepest streets in San Francisco. Let's check it out. There's a guy there just launched his drone. So look at that. That's pretty amazing, really. And let's have a look at that drone coming this way. Pretty much amazing. And he's taking it down there. And he must have an absolutely fantastic view, and you can see right to Coit Tower. That's amazing. Let's just have a look down here. I can feel the steepness of the street on the back of my legs. Oh yeah, it's so steep. It's unbelievable. He was just bringing that drone back, and I'm sure he nearly hit the power line there. Daryl's decided not to walk up the street like I've just done. He's walking up the steps. It's probably easier. We're leaving this street now, and we're going to go now to Lombard Street and actually walk down Lombard Street for you. So I'm quite excited to be able to do something like that. That guy's just flown his drone. He must have some absolutely amazing footage, but you have got to bear in mind it is illegal to fly here. Turn right here and just walk up this road, and as we go up here we are walking towards Lombard Street. It's a good while since I've walked the streets here, you know. Yeah. So just look at these buildings again here. They're massive, and look at all the fire escape on that. Imagine try and come down all them ladders. I suppose if the building was on fire, that's what you'd have to do. And look how big these buildings are here on the right hand side of me. It's colossal. It's an absolutely beautiful city. So we're going across now Greenwich, and I think the next one down after that is Lombard.
This one always brings back memories to me. This was appearing in Crazy Like a Fox.
So this house here used to be Crazy Like a Fox's house. That was a TV series from back in the probably 80s, 90s. Programme really now that doesn't exist. But yeah, that was set there and that was their house. Amazing. So let's carry on to Lombard, and then as we get to Lombard we will film that for you. So we're just crossing over here, so when we get down to Lombard you get a better perspective of it. And don't know whether you can hear there, but you can actually hear the cable car lines. How tall the either apartments or buildings or whatever they are here on Hyde Street. And right at the bottom, if we zoom in there, it's looking straight across to Alcatraz. And another amazing thing there, I'm standing here now looking at Alcatraz and it doesn't look that far away, but believe me, it is a good way out. And let's just check these apartments out again, how tall they actually are. They are massive. Beautiful, beautiful area. So this is 2238 Hyde Street. So we're keeping going now down High Street, and we'll soon be coming to the top of Lombard Street. So this should be absolutely fantastic now. And there's a cable car actually at the top of Lombard Street there, and I think that cable car now is going to head off. So there we go, there's your cable car going. So let's cross over here. And then we'll cross over Hyde and look at the cable car going down the bank there. That looks absolutely stunning there as it goes down, and at the bottom you've got a really good view of Alcatraz. So here we go, Lombard Street. Let's check Lombard Street out and have a look at that for you. Welcome to Lombard Street, the most crookedest street in the world. Well, that's how far. So we're going to cross over Lombard here, and I'll just have a look down it as we start to go down. So this should be really amazing now to do. Let's get down here. So I'd imagine probably a month ago all these hydrangeas would have been in full bloom. So I'd imagine the colour would have been absolutely beautiful here. Still nice now, but obviously not quite the same as it has been. So we're actually walking down now, down Lombard Street, and it is so steep, there's steps rather than a footpath. Look how twisty the road is. I think they've had to do that just really because of the steepness of it. And then you've got people's houses there you go, that's 1079 Lombard Street. We've got a car heading down here now. Let's just stop here and have another look. We've got another car coming round here now and going down this crooked street. We haven't actually drove down it yet, so that's something we will need to do. So again, down all these steps we go. So just check that out as we look down there. And there's another car coming round here now, having fun driving down this beautiful street. Pretty amazing. I was just waiting there for that lady to take a photograph. Look at this here. It looks brilliant, and we've got entrances to people's houses there. And there's another car coming here. Let's just check this out as this car comes down here. It's actually stopped there. And around it goes again. Let's get down to the next stage. So more steps down.
Yeah, 2 bedrooms. Yeah.
We'll just stop here now and have a look here. Look at the homes there, how amazing they look. And we've got more cars heading down here. We've got a GMC there. There's some big trucks coming down here, car, and then another big GMC truck. And then another big GMC truck after that. So this is like a little police. We've actually got the police coming down next. So we'll just wait and watch them come down. So here's the police car. Police have just waved to me. And there we go. There's a few dents in that police car. Let's head down a little bit further here as we now get nearer to the bottom. So we'll probably see the police car come round here again. But what I'm just going to show you here now is just look at all these places here where people are living, where they go into the houses. It's amazing. So like I say, instead of walking down, it's all steps because it just is that steep to get down. So I'm nearly down now to the bottom, and I can't tell you how much I've enjoyed that walk down Lombard Street. I'm just going to have another look here in this little pollard before we go down to the bottom. And I'm going to have a look here at the beautiful houses. They must be worth millions and millions of dollars here on this beautiful street. And just take a look back there, how nice again that looks. So if anybody knows how much it actually costs to live on Lombard Street in one of these apartments, just let me know in the comments. That would be very, very interesting. So that's apartment 1007, 1009 and 1011 in there. So I'm virtually now down to the bottom. I am going to cross over the road in a second and see what we can see from across the other side, where everybody stands in the middle of the street. And look how many people there is actually taking photographs here. So you must be on so many pictures while you're here at the bottom of Lombard Street. Let's turn round and just check it out. And wow, look where we've just walked down. That's absolutely incredible. And like I say, I'd say probably 4 or 5 weeks ago, if we'd have been a little bit earlier, all them flowers in the middle would have been in full bloom. Absolutely incredible. There's a couple of cars starting to come down again now. Looks like people are stopping to take the pictures, causing a little bit of chaos there. You get looking the other way. That's just as spectacular. Yeah, so there's a waymo there. He must be going to pick somebody up. There's nobody driving it. Completely driverless. That's unbelievable.